Hello crafty friends, Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm back again with another Tuesday morning haul. I was able to go to a Tuesday morning that was like an hour from my house. One of my sons plays travel basketball, so after his game, we were an hour away and I was like, we're definitely hitting up a Tuesday morning to see what they have on this side of town. So that's what I did. So let me show you what I found at this Tuesday morning. I found these really cute clipboards and they were only $1.19, and it looks like it says, who's this by? With Love, it's Momenta. And I just thought how super cute. Let me just zoom out so you guys can see. But look how adorable this is. So you can alter the clipboard, and it's 4 by 6 inches. And I thought, oh, that's really cute. So I'm gonna just take it out real quick so you guys can see what it looks like. It just looks like this, and it's wooden, and then this is the back. So you could alter the front and back if you want, and you could probably attach some really pretty ribbon and then hang it in your craft room, give it to a crafty friend, and it has a little clip right here. So really, really cute for only $1.19. So I did pick up 2 of those because I figured I'd want to make a couple. And then I found these really cute glittered up clothespins, and they're made by Dear Lizzie. And as you can see, they're the really pretty pastel colors. I thought that would be pretty with the Santa Baby collection for Christmas, and that was $2.19. And then I found an ephemera pack. This is by Pebbles, and this is what it looks like on the inside. You get all of those different cute little ephemera pieces, really cute for Christmas. And then I did find this Amy Tangerine die cut shapes, and I just really liked the colors, and it's super shiny. I'm sorry, it has pink foil in it. But yeah, really cute. This is what it's on the inside of the box. All of these different embellishments to use on projects. And I'm actually working with a Dear Lizzie pad right now that can kind of go with that. So that's why I picked that up. And then I also found these Maggie Holmes wooden frames, and you get 4 of them. And I thought these were kind of neat. I hadn't seen these before. That's the first one. It's a pretty ornate frame. Then you get this one right here. And then this style frame. This would be really pretty to add to like a front of a flip book or a scrapbook or any type of album. I think that would be really pretty. So I'm really excited about this find right here, and that was $1.99. And then last but not least, I finally found some of this premium metallic paper shed, crinkle shed, that's what it's called. And it's $2.99, and I've picked it up before, but